Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to guide you through creating a festive crochet pattern of Santa Claus slipper. All the material needed you can get through nicecrow.com. Take a pair of sole and make sure the toe is facing you. We'll be crocheting from the right side. Remove the insole. As you can see, there are many holes on the sole. If the holes for crocheting are obstructed, you can use a hook to clear them, making it easier to insert your crochet hook. Insert the hook into the hole adjacent to the marked line. Pull up a loop with your hook. Wrap the yarn over your hook and pull it through the loop. To create a chain one, insert your hook into next hole. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again. Pull the second yarn over through both loops on your hook to finish a single crochet. Just follow the step. Insert hook into, yarn over and pull up a loop with 2 loops on hook. Yarn over again, and pull the second yarn over through both loops on hook. This will complete a single crochet stitch. You will work a single crochet. Stitch into every hole along the sole, creating a continuous line of single crochets to secure your yarn to the rubber sole. This will serve as the base for your crocheted slipper. It is easy, just notice that. 1. Maintain a gentle tension on the yarn to preserve the sole's shape. 2. If the sole loses its shape, simply flip it over and gently bend it to restore its original form. These notes will help ensure that your slipper maintains its intended shape and form throughout the crocheting process. Here we go back to the first hole to finish last single crochet. Then make a slip stitch into first stitch to connect the base. Extend the loop by pulling the yarn through. Insert the rubber sole through the loop. Pull the yarn to tighten the loop and create a knot. Insert the insole. Now locate 6 stitches for the first row. There is a marked line on the toe of the sole. You can use this line as a reference to mark the central stitch. Count 3 stitches to the right and mark it with a sticker. 2 stitches to the left, also use a sticker to mark it. Counting the stitches to ensure we've marked 6 stitches. If you're making a larger size slipper, and mark 7 stitches for the first row. Distributing 3 stitches on the right and 3 on the left of the central stitch is a balanced approach. Pull the yarn over and make a chain 1 in the first marked stitch. This chain 1 will serve as the starting point for your vamp part of crocheting. Bring the yarn forward and insert the hook into the designated stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops to finish the half double crochet. Then we need to make an increase into the same stitch, which means to half double crochet into 1 single stitch. We form a diamond shape when finish every half double crochet. Increase. Repeat the steps until we reach the last stitch in the row. Remove the marker, make a slip stitch in the last stitch. Now we have completed 4 diamond patterns. When we finish F, make a slip stitch to finish the row and turn to next. Adjust the row with your hands to maintain a good shape. Pull the loop to secure it. Place a sticker to mark it. Pull the yarn to minimize the loop size. Now join red yarn. Insert hook, make a chain 1 into net stitch. Then make half double crochet increase into every stitch. Make sure the yarn tail is positioned on top of the hook. As you insert it, hold yarn tail together with first row by using left hand. Every stitch just the same. 2 half double crochets into every stitch to form diamond pattern. Pay attention to the position where we insert hook into. For last half double crochet increase. We need to join the marked loop of previous row into last half double crochet with 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through all loops to complete last diamond pattern. Then make a slip stitch to end the row. Remember to adjust the stitches when you finish each row. We will crochet 1 row with green yarn and the next row with red yarn, alternating colors. Pull the green yarn over and position it firmly on the previous row. Chain 1 to start. Make half double crochet increase into every stitch, then slip stitch to end. Every row just the same. Take note of the control yarn's length before starting the chain 1. Ensure it's not too tight or too loose, as it will affect the tension and the height of the vamp. Pull the loop up to keep all 3 loops on the same level. The height of the loop will determine the size of the diamond pattern. Maintaining uniform loop height is essential for achieving consistent diamond patterns. Simply follow the above tips and complete 4 rows. Using the described techniques, here I'll proceed to the 5th row.